Hello, assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings. It's me, Sabina, with my May 2024 newsletter video blog summary. This month I am over the moon to say that I completed the 6 items challenge 2024 with Labour Behind the Label. This challenge, I have been participating in this challenge for the past 12 years, and I am very grateful to everybody who has supported me over the years. This month in May, I also managed to edit my Fairtrade Ethical Ramadan 2024 video despite the pain in both my shoulders. It's taken me a very long time to edit the video in English and Urdu, but I've managed to finally complete it, and I will attach a link to my blog for those interested to watch it. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for supporting Fairtrade wherever you are around the world, and I look forward to recording another vlog for you next month. Bye for now. Wa alaikum salam. Peace and blessings.